Inspection tools have come a long way, and today's borescopes make it easier than ever to explore hard-to-reach places without breaking anything apart. Whether you're working on car maintenance, checking pipes, inspecting walls, or handling DIY repairs, a good inspection camera can save you time, effort, and money. These compact devices come with flexible cables, HD cameras, built-in screens, and powerful LED lighting to give you a clear view even in dark and tight spaces. Modern borescopes are designed for both professionals and beginners, offering simple plug-and-play operation and versatile applications. In this video, we're counting down some of the best 6 borescopes that deliver excellent performance, convenience, and value for everyday inspections. Number 1. Teslong Two-Way Articulating Borescopes Inspection Camera. This two-way articulating borescope is built for precision and flexibility, making it perfect for navigating tight and complex spaces. Its flexible probe allows you to easily maneuver through difficult angles, providing clear visibility without hassle. The 4.5-inch IPS display delivers sharp and vivid visuals, ensuring you can see every detail clearly in both bright and dark environments. With a 5-foot semi-rigid cable, it offers the perfect balance between flexibility and stability, allowing precise control during inspections. Built-in LED lights illuminate dark areas, making it easier to inspect hidden spaces. Designed with user comfort in mind, it features an ergonomic layout with easy one-handed control, making it a reliable tool for automotive, household, and professional use. Number 2. MugEasy Borescopes Inspection Camera. This borescope camera features a 4.3-inch IPS display with a wide viewing angle, delivering clear and vibrant 1080p visuals in real time. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, it ensures proper visibility even in completely dark environments. The IP67 waterproof design makes it suitable for use in wet conditions, such as pipe inspections or plumbing work. Its 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable provides excellent reach and flexibility, allowing you to explore narrow and hard-to-access areas with ease. The device is simple to operate, with no need for apps or Wi-Fi connections, making it convenient for quick inspections. With useful accessories like a hook and magnet, it becomes a versatile tool for various repair and maintenance tasks. Number 3. Kinpthy Borescopes Inspection Camera. This HD endoscope camera delivers high-resolution 1920p image quality, allowing you to capture detailed visuals and videos during inspections. It connects directly to smartphones via an app, making it easy to view real-time footage on a larger screen. The semi-rigid cable provides flexibility while maintaining enough stiffness to hold its shape in tight spaces. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it is suitable for underwater inspections and damp environments. The adjustable LED lighting ensures visibility in dark areas, making it ideal for automotive checks, pipe inspections, and household repairs. Its compact design and multiple connectors make it compatible with both Android and iOS devices, offering a flexible and modern inspection solution. Number 4. Daxiongmao Borescopes Inspection Camera. This practical borescope is designed for users who prefer a simple and straightforward inspection tool. It features a 4.3-inch LCD display that shows real-time images without requiring a smartphone or additional software. The semi-rigid cable extends up to 50 feet, making it ideal for deep inspections in pipes, walls, and other hard-to-reach areas. With 8 adjustable LED lights, it provides clear visibility even in low-light conditions. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in wet environments. It is especially useful for automotive maintenance, home inspections, and electrical work. With its easy operation and durable build, it is a great option for beginners and professionals alike. Number 5. DEPSTECH Borescopes Inspection Camera. The DEPSTECH DS300 inspection camera stands out with its advanced dual-lens design, allowing you to switch between different viewing angles without needing extra attachments. The 4.3-inch IPS screen provides crisp 1080p visuals, ensuring detailed and accurate inspections. Its powerful CMOS chip reduces lag and improves overall image quality. The 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable is flexible yet sturdy, making it easy to navigate tight spaces. With adjustable LED lighting and IP67 waterproof protection, it performs well in both dark and wet environments. The included accessories and built-in storage make it a complete and professional inspection tool for various applications. Number 6. WINWEND Borescopes Inspection Camera. This versatile borescope features a 4.3-inch color display and a 1080p camera for clear, real-time viewing. The 180-degree image rotation function allows you to adjust your perspective easily, making inspections more convenient. Its 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable is flexible enough to reach narrow spaces while maintaining control. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, it ensures proper illumination in low-light conditions. The IP67 waterproof design makes it suitable for a wide range of environments, including plumbing and outdoor use. With its ergonomic grip and lightweight design, it is comfortable to use for extended periods, making it a practical choice for both DIY users and professionals. Product recommendation. If you're looking for a reliable borescope, these options offer excellent performance for different needs and budgets. Whether you need advanced features like dual cameras and high-resolution recording, or a simple plug-and-play device for quick inspections, there is something here for everyone. A good borescope can make inspections faster, safer, and more efficient, making it a valuable tool for both home and professional use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay smart, stay efficient, and we'll see you in the next video.